Python Coding Editor is a specialized mobile application for Android devices designed to facilitate coding in the Python programming language. This app provides an integrated development environment, IDE, that allows users to write, edit, and run Python code directly from their smartphones or tablets, making it convenient for both beginners and experienced programmers. The user-friendly interface typically includes features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging tools, which enhance the coding experience and help users easily identify errors in their code. The app may also support multiple Python libraries and modules, allowing for a wide range of coding projects. Additionally, the Python Coding Editor often includes a built-in terminal for executing scripts and interactive coding sessions, providing immediate feedback and results. Many versions of the app also offer offline functionality, enabling users to code without an internet connection.